Ever watched your cat pounce, flip, and body slam a toy like a pro? Yep, your kitty might just be training for WWE. Cats are natural-born wrestlers. From sneak attacks to surprise drop kicks, they've got moves that would make The Rock jealous. Those flying leaps, pure athleticism. The bunny kicks, signature finishing move. Even when they wrestle each other, it's all about skill, speed, and drama, with just a sprinkle of chaos. So next time your cat goes full SmackDown mode, just cue the entrance music. Like, share, and subscribe for more cat-tastic fun.